the enemies turned their direction towards the tent of the daughters of Muhammad, Ali and Fatima. Orders are given, set the tents alight and take the women of Hussein as captives to Ubaydullah ibn Ziyad. Torches were brought to the tents. It is said that the veils of women were taken. There is a call, prepare for captivity and return to Kufa. Sakina was not separating from the body of her father. Upon insistence, she would not leave. Shimmer unleashed his whip and cracked it upon the back of the young child. She trembled and ran into the arms of her aunt.